Alright guys, for today's video is I'll be showing you my bag. Yes. So, magwa-what's in my bag tayo today. Medyo matagal-tagal na rin na hindi na ako nakakapag-what's in my bag. So, bago tayo magpalit ng bag kasi may bagong dadating sa akin na in-order ko online. Still sa TikTok shop. Momo Select din. So, as you can see, this is also a product from Momo Select and ang ganda ng puffy bag na ito. So, bago yarn, yun nga, may paparating akong bago Momo Select kung kaya naman, naisipan kong i-tour ko muna kayo sa gamit-gamit kong bag for already a month or more than a month. Nagustuhan ko siya kasi very cute and compact lang niya, pero very spacious talaga siya guys. Yes, ang dami mong mailalagay. So, ganyan siya. Diba? Ang ganda. And magaan. So, hindi mo mararamdaman na marami kang dala. It's because ang gaan niya. And, basta ang ganda niya. So, sa halagang 300 plus something, hindi ka magsisisi na mag-invest sa ganitong klaseng bag from Momo Select. So, this is the cheaper version of some of the puffer bags na naglilipaan doon sa TikTok na nasa price range ng 600 up. So, this is the way better than that. Kasi, halos wala din naman ipinagkalayo ng material na ginamit. Okay? So, waterproof din and then very spacious. So, hindi na natin patagalin to. Let's move on to what's inside this bag. So, both sides are having compartments. Ganyan. So, dito sa side na to is may ballpen lang tayo. During easy to access. And then, on the other side is may pa-alcohol tayo. And then, I think meron akong inhaler. Yes. So, inhaler and alcohol is what I have in this side. So, let's move on to this pocket. Walang laman yan dito ngayon. But most of the time, susi and loose coins yung nilalagay ko dyan. Especially if nagmamadali, sisiksik ko lang kaagad yung mga coins ko dyan. And yan. So, we'll be getting random stuff lang inside. And so, iron siya. So, papakita ko siya sa inyo. So, medyo ganyan ako. Medyo organized ako ng gamit talaga guys when it comes to bags. Gusto ko maayos. Laging maayos. And then, yeah. So, this is also perfect. So, for students right there or sa mga estudyante dyan na naghahanap ng bag na cute lang pero marami kang mailalagay, then this is perfect for you. Yes. Kasi kasyang-kasya yung ating pa-notebook. So dito ko naman nilalagay yung aking mga gustong ililista and all, yung mga gastusin and alam mo na, yung mga tita vibes, ganun. So, yan. Kaya may pa-notebook tayo. And the next top is yung tumbler. So, honestly, hindi ako mahilig talaga magdala ng tumbler na malalaki. And hindi din ako fan ng tubig. Hindi ako pala inom ng tubig. And since tumatanda na tayo, need ko na din talaga yarn. So, pinapractice ko na yung healthy living at as much as possible is umiinom na lagi ng tubig. So, eto, kung kaya naman I'm so happy that I got a tumbler, a cute tumbler from Sivago. So, hindi ako nahahassle kasi kayang-kaya siyang isiksik sa cute na bag ko na attach. Kasya siya. And then, ang ganda ng tumbler to guys. Kasi, alam mo ba yung lamig niya or yung, it's either both, kasi, mainit at malamig. Pwedeng ilagay dito. So, nagtatagal siya ng within a day. Yes. Bongga. Malamig pa din siya maghapon and then mainit pa din kung mainit yung ilalagay mo dito. So, I so love this tumbler. And nakahiligan ko na din uminom lagi ng tubig. It's because I already have this one always in my bag. So, next up is, medyo napahaba yung ko doon description ko sa tumbler na yarn. And, next up is our itech. Pa-wristlet to guys, and dahil nawala na yung pa-wristlet niya, is nilagyan ko lang siya ng ganyan, pa-keychain. And, yeah, let's check what's inside. So, ganyan siya sa loob. May isang compartment detach na nakapag-separate yarn. So, naglalagay din ako ng cash yarn. And then, dito is kasyang-kasya yung ating taskbook and mga papel-papel lang. Mga laminated ID na yung sa national ID na medyo malaki din talaga na hindi kasya sa usual wallets. And then, dito naman is mga resibo lang and all. So, ganun. And then, dito is may pa-jewelry ako dyan na yung mga gusto kong dalhin everyday. Ayan siya. So, naka-pouch lang siya ng ganachach. Nakahiwalay. Hiwalay yung mga earrings. Iba din na pouch yung earrings. So, ganyan ako ka-cozy. And then, iba din yung mga pa-pendants dyan. O, diba? So, ayan. Hiwa-hiwalay din siya dyan. So, ganyan siya ka-organized. Charot. So, next up is our main wallet. So, actually, ang dami kong wallets. Currently, meron akong 3 dito. But this is my main wallet. So, this is from Kimbell. Nakuha ko lang to siya sa SM Department Store. Naka-sale siya kung kaya nakuha ko siya ng 300 plus and I so love the design. So, nilagyan ko lang siya ng pa-keychain also jar pa bling-bling. And this is how it actually looks like. So, may pa-zip compartment siya detached. And then the other side is may pa-magnetic closure. And meron pa siya detached. O, diba? Kasyang-kasya yung ating paper bills jar. So, sabi, don't leave any compartments on your wallet na walang pera. So, nilalagyan ko ng isang peraso jar. And then on this side is, in here is, kasyang-kasya yung 6 cards. Yes, because we do have 6 card compartment. And then, meron pa dite. So, another pera naman tayo dyan. So, paper bill ng dollar paper bill. And then, on the other side, ganun din. Ayan. So, may isang tao lang tayo dyan. And then, in here is my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 5 card compartment. And pang 6 tong photo compartment. So, all in all, we have 12 card compartments. Kung isasama mo to, kung card din yung ilalagay mo. But in my case, nilagyan ko siya ng money mantra jar and then palaki charm. So, naniniwala din ako sa mga ganyan. Wala naman mawawala eh. So, that's all up in this compartment. And then this side is ganyan naman siya. So, may division lang siya dito for the coins. Ito yung coin compartment natin. Ayan siya. And then, meron din tayong pa-card, pa-envelope, yung gold envelope ng Piyaw ba to? Hindi ko alam anong pangalan dyan. And then, may 50 pesos lang. And then, may pera pa tayo dyan. Diba? So, ganyan siya dito. So, diba? Very spacious. And, talagang na-arrange mo ng yung kaperahan detach mo. Diba? So, next up is ito. Ang tagal na nito sa akin, like 3 or 4 years na to, na lagi ko siyang dala every time aalis ako. Kasi, we never know kailan tayo mag-grocery. So, at least may very cute and compact grocery bag tayo dyan. And next up is our everyday wallet. So, kung may main wallet tayo, may everyday wallet. Kasi, eto minsan hindi ko dinadala. Iniiwan ko lang sa bahay, especially if maliit lang yung bag na dala ko. So, I'll be bringing this one. And kung ayaw ko din magdala ng bag, so eto lang binibitbit ko kaagad. And dito na lahat ng mga kailangan ko for the day. So, ayan yung mga alam mo yung mga pa SM Advantage card, pa Petron, ano ba to guys, card, ganun. Ayan, more of the cards. And then, of course, may ID tayo dyan. Kasi pag alis tayo, dapat may driver's license. And ganito naman siya sa loob. Di ba ang ganda? So, this is from Sigloka. I love the material used and very compact lang din. So, may photo compartment and then may bill compartment din siya dyan. And we have 3 card slots in here. Meron pa dito, which is also perfect for laminated IDs. Let's check kung may laminated ako. Wala. Cards lang nilagay ko for now. Let's go ahead and check. Meron nga. So, may PhilHealth tayo dyan. Okay, so ganyan lang siya. And then, may pa-zip compartment for the coins. And 2 compartments pa pala dito for the cards. Diba? So, ang dami niyang compartment for the cards actually. Next up, malapit na yung time natin. Naka 9 minutes na tayo. Eto na tayo. So, ito yung pouch ko for our abubot. So, may palipi, pa suklay, pa foundation and all. Yung pampa-beauty natin. So, dito sa pouch na attach. And, yeah, last up is our coin purse. So, kahit may wallet tayo, may another wallet pa rin tayo for our coins, which I love the most kasi very cute and ganda niya. Diba? So, ayun lang ang laman ng ating bag. And in this part, nasabi ko na yarn kanina. So, I guess that's it. I hope nag-enjoy kayo at may idea din kayong nakuha kung ano yung dadalhin nyo for the day. So, this has been Chet. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next one.